Hey guys, quick little video for you today. It was my birthday yesterday. I turned some age, more than 40, less than 45, and almost all of my presents were like welding related. So I thought I'd show you a couple of things that turned up that, well, actually, most of these weren't presents. So first, a while back I bought these 100 by 100 chunks of 3mm steel. I've been using these to practice my TIG welding. Framing. Pop them over there. I got tired of cutting them in half and everything, so I thought I would order a whole bunch of 50 by 100, or like 2" by 4"-ish coupons from metalsforyou.co.uk. They're all guillotine cut, unprepped, reasonably inexpensive, more expensive than I could get them from Weld Metals online in the US, but never mind. And I picked up 10, these are stainless steel coupons. Kind of tell the laser backing. At least I think these are the stainless ones. Nope, my mistake. Aluminium. These are 1.6, I think, millimeter thick aluminium. Picked up 20 3mm thick aluminium. $20 3mm thick steel. This is probably cold rolled or hot rolled, I forget. Carbon steel anyway. Regular old-fashioned steel. 10 1.5mm carbon steel. And wait, keep along on that pile. And then 10 1.5, I think, stainless steel. So those are my practice pieces for practicing my TIG welding. Thought they'd keep me going for a little while. And then, well, I posted this on Instagram, but I knocked this up the other day as like the world's crappiest torch holder. It's just got a nut. It's some random carbon steel bar that I sort of TIG together at the top, and it just drops into through one of the holes in my table and just sort of wobbles around, right? And see from over there, just hang a torch on it, like so. But Brad at Hour Glass Ingenuity, or Hour Glass Industries, makes some really nice torch holders. So I ordered some, and they took like, I don't know, 4 days to turn up from, let's see, Colorado. Packing peanuts. Tasty. So let's see what came in the package. I get stickers, fixings, plastic band in a bit. Really super fancy packaging. And then this beautiful purple anodized magnetic torch holder that will go like that. I just need to set the gap so that my torch will fit in it, which is, I'm guessing, what that was for. So very nice though. Like, even got little, yeah, let's see if you can see them, little ball detents in there. So your torch snaps in, and very nice. Really nice piece of work. Purple. Go faster, purple. And because I'm a sucker for a special offer, more stickers. Brad has a bunch of these, like, whatever you like hooks kind of thing, for, say, helmet or cable or whatever. These are like seconds, I think, ones that didn't quite pass, but I'll be honest, I don't know, they looks really nice to me, so picked up one of those as well. Like I say, really impressed. 4 days, like door to door, which gives me somewhere to hang this, my new welding hat, so I can stop using my crappy like little one. This is one of the, I don't know if you can see that, like large format masks. It's also Artec's True Color one, so it doesn't give everything a green tint, which I'm pretty sure is, hey, look at that. One of the companies in the US, Everlast maybe, has a mask that looks exactly the same. So yeah, that was a birthday present. So haven't used it yet, but it looks really nice. So get rid of the pack of peanuts. Goodbye, peanuts. And the box for the recycling. So yeah, what else? What else has been happening? I picked up a set of these. Toe clamps, or whatever you want to call them. The, you know, bolt through. Have the step that you prop on that to, framing, like that, to match the height of the thing you're trying to clamp down. And I picked those up because I want to cut 2-inch tube for the exhaust on my newly acquired old bandsaw. And the stock clamp on the bandsaw doesn't work very well for like short sections of tube or anything like that, so I'll probably drill and tap the cast iron base of the bandsaw so that I can bolt these down, make it a sort of, I don't know, I'll probably be cutting a lot of tube, so a single tasking thing. Anyway. Yeah, so I just gotta rearrange things over here a little bit. Let's see. And then maybe I'll put together, over there someplace, on camera, one of my other birthday presents. So probably put that in its own video. But anyway, mostly I just wanted to make a quick video about this and this from Brad at Hour Glass Fab, because I think they are gorgeous. I don't know, they're CNC machined, anodized, aluminum, with some fairly strong magnets on them. Yeah, I think they're really nice. Shipping to the UK is kind of pricey, but I think the price you actually pay for the item, really reasonable when you consider the time and effort that goes into them. So yeah, thanks to Brad for shipping them out so fast. So, that's all for now.